try this again. Need to clean this up a little bit, and then we're gonna try to create some repair chunks to put in here. Want all the loose stuff off. Alright, let's see what we can do with this. I was thinking, once this is done, to maybe cover it with this vinyl before the seat cover is put on. That'll help bond all these pieces together and help reduce the chance of this stuff splitting apart. We kind of need to fill this hole, and this bolster needs to be rounded right here a little more. All right, I think we're okay now to go ahead and try to wrap this. That right there is going to be a problem with the seat cover. That's fine. Just get rid of that pucker. All right, let's move on to, I guess, the seat cover. Start work on that. I've already removed the wires from the back. And we need to let this dry completely overnight before we do anything else. So we'll let that dry. We'll come back and do the maybe do the seat cover tomorrow.